segmental 9 cubic meters, cleaning sweeper truck. Operating instructions. Vehicle inspection. Check whether the battery is on. The sweep discs and sucker are in position. The tank filled with water. Check whether the valve of the water tank is open and the water circuit is smooth. Cleaning sweeper operation. Start the engine until the air pressure rises above 6 bar. Open the panel. Start the secondary engine. Press auto wash sweep button. Pull the throttle rod of the secondary engine to speed up 2000 rpm. Shift first gear. The vehicle starts operating at idle. After operation, turn off auto wash sweep. Lift discs and sucker. Retract spray doors. Spray clean operation. Flush operation. Press left flush and right flush button. Step out clutch. Switch on PTO. Shift gear and start operation. Front spray and rear fork operation. Start the secondary engine. Open 4 valves of the front spray and rear fork. Press rear fork button. Then shift gear and start operation. Unloading operation. Start the secondary engine. Open the back door. Raise the tank to depth bucket. Increase the secondary engine speed over 1200 rpm. Press self-cleaning button to clean tank. Open ball valve of the water gun. Press water gun button. Clean tank manually. After cleaning, press tank door button. Close the back door. End operation. In case of damaging pipe by ice, the tank and pipe should also be cleaned when operation finished in winter.